Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to find MAC address on this laptop. So the easiest way to check all of your MAC addresses on this device is to open the Start menu and search for CMD application, and once you find it, open it, then input ipconfig spacebar all, /all. Now input this command and press enter to run it, and then you'll get information about each of your device's network adapters. Each of them has a physical address which refers to the MAC address. So this is the MAC address of the wireless LAN adapter, local area connection 8. As you can see, most of them are disconnected, as I said before, but if you want to check your current MAC address, you gotta check the connection type that you're using. It's probably Wi-Fi in your case, so search for wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it also does have a physical address, and this is the active MAC address that you're currently using on your device. And down below you can also find the Bluetooth MAC address if you need it, right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.